Hi everyone, I'm Sara from Peppermint IT. Today I'll be teaching you how to switch between windows. If you're a student like me, you're most likely always working on big projects or assignments which require a lot of research. My computer always has so many windows open as I switch back and forth from reading and writing. A quick way for me to navigate through these tabs quickly is by switching through windows using the Alt plus Tab keys. Let's have a look. So what I do is hold down the Alt key, then cycle through open windows using the Tab key. Pressing Tab highlights the next window, whilst releasing Alt will switch the highlighted window. Now let's try it on a MacBook. Instead of pressing Alt, I press and hold Command. From there, I then press Tab to switch between the apps. Try this out. I guarantee it will be a lifesaver. That's my tech tip for today. Thank you everyone. See you soon. Try it on.